ये लड़का अंदर अंदर प्रेयर कर रहा है so that he can aim the target.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to get embarrassed. Actually, here's the boss.
Okay.
Let's see what he can do.
Which one? Which one?
ये अभी ठीक करके देता है. So guys, this bullets, this whole box it costs 900.
Yeah.
And we need 10 bullets.
You're gonna have your back when it's all done. It's all good when you're fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about?
ये व्यूज मैं आपको दिखा रहा था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, आप देखिए. So all right guys, after the fishery tour, now next day we are going for the mountains. यहाँ पे दीमापुर के पास एक माउंटेन है, तो पतकाई बोलते हैं. तो हम, मेरा दोस्त टोम्बो मुझे वहाँ लेके जा रहा है. This is my friend Tombo. So guys, we are about to reach Patkai mountains. You can see this is called Patkai, right?
No, Jumu Mountain.
Jumu mountain. Okay, so this is called Jumu mountain.
This is actually a newly built road. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Making this road.
कट के
Gotta see it out.
So guys, finally we reached to our destination. We reached almost our destination. This is my friend Kex. You already met yesterday.
Yeah. Hello, man.
So see, my friends are going there. We have to climb up. कितना ऊपर जाना है? अच्छा, first time. Everyone is coming first time over here.
Hello.
Okay, my friends. Oh, there's a new type of monkey. देखिए कितना ऊपर जाना है हमें. My friend Kex is also coming. Kex is silently. Yo, man.
We're about to reach the tree house.
Yeah. Thank you for choosing this location here. Our new brother. What's your name, bro?
Hito.
Hito.
Hito Achimi.
Hito Achimi. Oh my God, guys, see this view. Wow.
Excited?
Yeah, so much. Let me zoom it for you. Wow. There's so much fog, so we cannot see clear, but look at this view, guys. This is Dimapur. And there's a football stadium, if you can see. ये football stadium है यहाँ पे.
This is hockey.
This is for hockey.
Yeah, hockey ground.
Okay.
Football ground. And this is firing range.
Firing range.
Yeah.
Where?
This one, this one.
Guys, I'll show you the firing range. Wait. What we cannot see, my camera can see. This is the one. That's a firing range, right?
The green roof is at CO's bungalow, and the red one is at Nagaland Police House.
Okay, this is Nagaland Police House. Huh? Nice, man. That green one?
Yeah, the green roof.
Okay, there's a church. Guys, this is a church. Okay.
This is a police church.
Acha, police.
Yeah.
It's
This is,
like-
this is a police complex.
Acha, this is all police complex. Police area. Huh? Nice. We are getting all this information from this guy because he himself in Nagaland police. Name? Kito. Yeah.
Thank you.
So I'm always confused with Kato, Kito, Abuto. Nice. Wow, the view is awesome, guys. Guys, जब भी मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड करता है ये लड़का या तो सिगरेट के साथ होता है या शिखर के साथ होता है. So this guy was in security of Lalu Yadav, ना? लालू प्रसाद यादव की सिक्योरिटी की है इन्होंने, इसीलिए हमने उनको वहाँ से हटा दिया. करप्ट पॉलिटिशियन का सिक्योरिटी करता है ये लड़का. छोड़ दिया. आप देखिए यहाँ पे भी लोग अपने लव बर्ड्स के नाम लिख रखे हैं लोगों पे, लेकिन एक चीज़ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हाउ दे रीच हियर, ये यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे। कैन यू सी, एकदम टेरेस पे ऊपर भी नाम लिख रखा है लोगों का, एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ दे रीच देयर। इतनी सारी गर्लफ्रेंड होती हैं एक को कि वे नाम भूल जाते हैं कि मैं कौन सी गर्लफ्रेंड को लेके आया था इधर, तो इसलिए नाम लिख के जाते हैं ताकि उनको याद रहे कि इसको यहाँ ला चुका हूँ, इसको दोबारा यहाँ नहीं लाना है। ये व्यूज़ मैं आपको दिखा रहा था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, आप देखिए। एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट क्लियर बिकॉज ऑफ फॉग। रात में ये और अच्छा व्यू लगता है जब सारी लाइटें जलती हैं। सो गाइज वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ गन कंपटीशन ओवर हियर, यू कैन सी। The prize money will be at least $100. Dollar price is around 84, right?
Excluding the tax, okay?
Yeah. So because this guy is earning in dollar,
I'll take your
he'll be paying.
Not only
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll pay in Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. What the heck? We are deciding the aim.
Look at this tree, okay? The white dot, did you see that?
Itu pokoknya.
Wait, zoom it.
ये वाला ये white है ना ये.
Okay. So there's a white mark on the tree. We are going to aim that one. This mark. This beach wala. Okay, I'm zooming, bro.
Here? Which one?
Okay, this is the guy who is going to shoot over here in the white mark. Good, bro.
Steady. It's okay. Relax.
Steady.
Take a deep breath.
Ah, you missed the target. Now the new player.
The camera.
The new player is going to try.
Here's the boss.
Okay.
Let's see what he can do.
The PUBG player.
Is he gonna shoot the target?
Whoa! Yo!
He did it, guys.
bro.
He did it.
The new player did it. Okay, so this Mr. Carlos is going to try.
I'm the Carlos head cock.
He's our commando. Let's see.
There's no bullet right now.
No bullet?
Yeah. I got a bullet. Hey,
Okay.
just have a look.
Okay.
Hyper impact.
Yeah, we got the bullet over here. Hello, brother. Take the bullet. Reload it.
Reload it. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, this bullets, this whole box, it costs 900,
Yeah.
and we need 10 bullets.
Bermenzin. Yeah, bermenzin.
Chalo, this guy is going to try his luck. I already did it. I mean, he's going to aim it, guys. Oh, missed the chance. Okay. Your target was white one, not this one, okay? ये अभी ठीक करके देता है, देखो बोला अभी ठीक करके देता है. That white mark, middle वाला. Go ahead, bro. Oh wow, did it, bro. This guy is a real commando here. What the heck? He also did it. Tombo is going to hit the matchbox. There's a matchbox. Okay, now the
Zoom it. Yes. Oh, yeah.
The matchbox is trying for matchbox. Go ahead. Ready? Oh! What a shot, man! What a shot! Tombo! Wow! लगा नहीं क्या? नहीं लगा. But it is already on the camera, so we cannot lie ना. ये लड़का अंदर प्रेयर कर रहा है so that he can aim the target.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to get embarrassed actually in front of my good boss.
Yeah. Go ahead. There's a bottle and the matchbox. Your aim is matchbox, okay? Not the bottle. You missed the chance again. This guy is famous even to aim on machli ka aankh. Okay, so new target again, matchbox. Almost. Okay, now the owner. He's the owner of this gun. And he is going to try the cigarette butt. Okay, so new owner, a new guy. He's the owner of the gun. He's going to try a new aim. It's a cigarette butt.
Yeah, it's a cigarette butt.
He's going to try the cigarette butt, bro. Ready? Steady. Oh, he's giving like a real. Oh my God! But you hit the. You didn't hit the. But you are giving me a green cap, a bottle cap, to hit it. Chalo, I'm going to try.
Now the boss is going to shoot the target, and the target is here. Let's see if he can hit the target, the green cap, the bottle cap. Yo, bro, come on, bro. Yeah, bro.
Oh, the great time. This is
We the Nagas are the real headhunter, but this man actually proved us wrong. He's the real hunter from.
Yo, because I'm Daniel Achumi.
And yeah, guys, if you guys
second time I hit.
watch his video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Yeah. He came from Bihar and he's working so hard and
Not Bihar. What the heck, man? I'm not from Bihar.
UP. He's from.
I'm from Lucknow, UP. Yeah.
So please subscribe his channel. Yeah. See, he came all the way from there, and then
And now I'm showing my
he's
talent.
working so hard, and he's
I came all the way from Delhi and I'm showing my talent to these people that I'm a real PUBG player. I'm not.
and don't go to his looks. He's actually from Nagaland and
Nagaland.
Naga,
Yeah,
okay?
of course.
He's a great guy, actually.
Guys.
Great guy. Love him.
So guys-
Love you, bro.
Yeah, love you too, bro. Nice.
Thank you for visiting us,
Yeah.
and I hope we will see you
Arey.
again.
Arey,
Even
arey.
if you happen to go back
Yeah.
where you came from, but again.
This is another commando over here. So, guys, I came here to explore the Hornbill, but believe me, the Nagaland, you have so many things to explore over here. You will never get bored, not even for a single day. And these people, the hospitality of these people, you'll never forget, man. You'll never forget. Seriously. So, guys, stay tuned. You'll get more fun on our channel. There's some sunlight issue. And this is the real hero, real guy. He's the gun owner.
Not me. This is the gun.
Okay, this is the gun owner. Okay. He's the gun owner. Sorry.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So he's from Dimapur, right?
Yeah, Dimapur.
Dimapur.
Yes.
And what's your title, bro?
Gikon.
Gikon. Oh,
I'm from Lotha community.
Lotha community.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys, see, all our brother. They are so down to earth. They are so humble.
Always, yeah, welcome to Nagaland, bro.
See, these people, they are my friend from like 4, 5, 6 years, right? But these people, this is the first time I'm meeting. But I feel like that we know each other for so long. Just in a few seconds, we become close. So this is how Nagaland treat you. If you come to Nagaland, come and explore.
Come to Nagaland and explore the world.
Explore the
Yeah.
world. Seriously.
नागालैंड में आ जाओ राशन में मिलेगा
राशन भी मिलेगा गन भी मिलेगा मोदी जी का राशन मिलेगा मोदी का राशन भी मिलेगा actually he's saying Russian but this guy is saying Russian oi
You're gonna have your back when it's all done. It's all good when you're little, you're pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run?
okay so guys this is sunset view from Chamukdema mountain. You can see the sun is going down, so almost about to get dark. So in Delhi, almost at 5:30 we see the sunset, but over here at 4:30, almost 1 hour gap. So guys, it's complete dark now. Now you can see the night view of this Dimapur. I hope you like it. You can see the lighting. Wow. वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा सनलाइट आपको अभी भी दिखेगा, हल्का सा छोर पे पिंक कलर का, लेकिन आप देखिए दीमापुर में कंप्लीट डार्क हो चुका है। आप देखिए बिल्कुल नाइट व्यू, ये है वो नाइट व्यू ऑफ द सिटी दीमापुर। आपको कितना, ये आपको सामने जो लाइन दिख रही है ये पूरा हाईवे है दीमापुर का। So guys, that's it from Chumu mountain. Now we are going back to our house and hopefully you like the video. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share, and please drop your comments on comment box because it will help me to increase my algorithm of the YouTube.
If you guys have any like options or any kind of inquiry, please
please
comment
yeah,
down the comment,
comment.
and we will try to make it happen.
Yeah, if you want to
And,
know the exact location
uh-huh.
where we are standing right now, we'll help you out with every possible information which we have. So that's it. We'll see you in next video. Tap tak, bye bye, take care.